Hello, thank you for clicking on this video. So for today, we're going to go over 10 basic Spanish words you need as a beginner. So there's going to be a total of 10 words. On the left side, we're going to have the Spanish word, and on the right side, we're going to have the English translation. So to begin with, for the first one, it says hola. Hola. And hola is going to be hello. Hola. For the next one, we have adios. Adios. And adios is going to be goodbye. Adios. For the next one, we have por favor. Por favor. And por favor is please. Por favor. Next one says gracias. Gracias. Gracias is going to be thank you. Gracias. For the next one, it says de nada. De nada. De nada is you're welcome. De nada. Next one is sí. Sí is going to be yes. Next one is no. And no is going to be no. For the next one, it says ayuda. Ayuda. And ayuda is going to be help. Ayuda. Next one says hoy. Hoy. And hoy is today. Hoy. And for the last one, it says mañana. Mañana. Mañana is tomorrow. Mañana. So as you can see on the letter N for mañana, it has an ñ. So it's not manana, it's mañana. So ñ, mañana, tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video and like and subscribe. Thank you.